Yeah, please share your screen.
Yeah, sure. Let me know when you guys can.
Yes, it's visible.
Sure.
So yesterday you were able to insert the record
Yes.
on each and every object. Now what we will do, we will try to update the record.
Sure.
Okay. For that, open that position export which you did.
This fine?
Yeah, position one when you extracted it, open it.
Sure. So I actually, Shan, I created one Excel file out from position only. Like I only took like these first three records, and I have changed the 1 second here, the name in place. Yeah, in place of name here. Since we did yesterday, insert by data loader. Now I did for these three update by data loader. And because it's basically update is like, updating the current records, like which are present there, right? So those records should exist. So these records, they exist because these are from this insert file.
Yeah, so for that you need to have the ID field for that.
Oh, ID field?
For that you need to have ID field. ID of the record gives you, where is the ID field there?
Sure.
This must have ID. And when you are trying to update any record, so whichever field you are trying to update, only put those fields. Okay. So updating it, remove all other fields which are there. Go to your update Excel sheet.
Okay. Sure. So I took these first three because these are the three fields that are there. So I took these IDs. And I will go to the update Excel. And for now,
here what you do?
For now, I'll just place them here.
Yeah.
All other fields? Okay.
Remove all other fields. Only that field will be there, ID and the field which you want to update.
Sure.
Okay. Delete everything. Yeah. Now put the ID. Yeah. Now you can put the date so that you can identify these are the records which you have updated now. Anything else you can put in the name field, you can put something, some identifier.
Oh, okay.
Remove by data loader, just update and today's date or whatever. Yeah, update today's date. Yeah. Yeah, save it.
Yeah, saved.
Yeah, now you can do one thing. Just go to data loader and perform update operation.
It's taking time.
Why it is taking that much time?
Might be network.
No, that's not a little network.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, wait for a bit. That will be done. What about others? Are you guys able to perform this operation?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to update the record on position object, and it's very easy. As you saw, we just change the name, and we need to have the ID field using which the record can be identified. Okay. Why is it taking that much time?
It is not supposed to take, right?
Yeah, it doesn't take because only 3 records are there, so um, it's really strange.
Should I just like close it and then?
No, don't close. Do one thing. What was the format? It was XLS or CSV?
It was CSV only.
Your file is CSV?
Yeah.
Then why it is not checking? Yeah, now close it because it doesn't take that much time. Was there any progress bar which you can see? Yeah.
No,
Wait.
no.
Yeah.
Should I just
Next,
like cancel?
No, you can click on next again. What about that? Is it also taking longer time for you guys as well? Hello?
For me, if I select all fields, it does so. But if I select some of the fields, it's easy for me to do it. But if I select all, I feel the same problem.
Yeah, but we have done only two columns, right? That should work. That shouldn't take that much time. Could you please close this Apex Reloader and then restart it, kind of thing. And make sure that the Excel sheet is not open, that is closed.
Yeah, it's closed.
Yeah, great. So now that could be the reason.
But it was connected only, Shan. Like I before this class also I was like revising what we did.
Yeah,
So I was connected.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah.
It should work only. That's our motto.
Mm-hmm.
Because it doesn't take that much time generally. It's really quick, but why is it taking that much time? Okay, just leave it. Let it get processed.
I wanted to check like if anything else is here. Like I don't see like the file having.
Nothing else is there. What is the file size? Check file size. Close it and check file size.
It's very small. Like it's 1 KB.
Oh, yeah. Please do it once again. Perform the same operation in. No, not here.
Yeah. Before that, let me just like quickly reconfirm, but it is this these three files only, like these three only that I chose. But it should not, like, that is like a next step error. But let me just double confirm. So it's Salesforce, and Salesforce admin. Yeah, that's what I picked.
No, that doesn't matter. See, only 3 records
Yeah, I
there.
was
And
like, that's like a
like this.
mapping.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
So,
step 3.
yeah.
Okay, and then position.
Yeah.
Next.
Click on that.
Done.
No. Now you can understand. Means it's really. Wait.
Sorry.
Next. Okay.
So succeeded, right?
Not succeeded. It's not been done yet. Initialized. It just said okay. Now next, you need to provide the mapping.
No, I'm saying like at least like it got picked.
Yeah, it got picked.
Yeah.
Now you can select the mapping, either auto match or you can drag and drop. Yeah. Okay. Click on next. Yeah. Finish it.
Yeah.
Now you can see that, right? These records are updated. Now next is delete. Okay. Perform delete operation. Or let's do upsert operation. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So open that CSV file which you used.
The
So
same update
upsert
one?
means, yeah, update one. So upsert means if the record already present, it will update. But if the record is not present, then it will insert a new record. Okay. So now what we will do, for that, you need to check other one where you export it, right? Because when you insert, you need to provide uh,
ID?
more, right? More columns, because we
Oh yeah.
also have required as well.
So I cannot use this one, right?
Yeah.
And I can use the insert.
Hmm. Yeah.
So Shan, for update, like in Upsert, for updating, does it need like ID?
Yeah, so
Seat?
for update, it will require ID. So what we will do, pick 2, 3 records, okay? And on few of them, remove ID field, and few of them, you will keep the record ID. And we'll see in which record you don't have record ID, that should be created freshly, okay? And those records which are already there in your org, that should get updated.
Okay. So.
And how would you know that which all the records got updated and which all the records got inserted? Then what you need to do, just go to your position update and check how many records are there currently there.
Okay.
And
So
yeah, go to position,
currently,
click on all, go up, yeah. How many records are there?
32.
32. Yeah, so 32 records you have. Now let's go to your sheet, and for 2 or 3 records, remove ID field.
Oh my God.
And this is something which you used for the insert, right?
Yeah,
This is the
no, my mistake, Shan. Let me.
okay. Go and use
So I
insert
used,
success file. Insert success
yeah,
file,
I
because that
used,
was, because otherwise you will get that all the errors which we were facing yesterday, right? The formatting and everything.
oh, I do not have that file. Can I get it from somewhere? I
Go to
deleted it.
error folder. Yeah, here
Yeah.
you will get success.
Yeah, but this is just like that 1 or 2 records only.
Yeah, so let's keep 1 or 2 records. Okay, this is the
No, this
updated.
is
Close it.
today one only, right? I
The other one,
deleted it. This is,
little
yeah,
bit.
this will not be there.
Then yeah, this is there. This is there.
Oh, this is from today. Okay. Let me
Yeah, copy the same and paste it.
let me delete this.
Read the error. Yeah, copy the same record and paste it again.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, in one field, change name, upsert operation or something. And below again, upsert.
Should I
Below
like
again, then
say, okay.
no, in below one, upsert insert, because here we will not provide ID. Okay.
Okay.
Now remove the ID. Yeah. Let's save it and perform the operation. So it was 32. Your existing record will get updated and new
34.
record will get inserted. So there will be 33 record.
Do not need this. Okay, fine. Here, observe, home position, home browse, position, observe, open. So initialization. select the field for matching to position C. Choose your field. Select the field. Name? Because name is in both the fields.
ID.
Okay.
Because here ID will be your unique identifier.
Hiring manager. Otherwise, leave the select. Oh, I can leave a blank.
Yeah.
Okay.
Successful. Yeah, let's go and see whether you are having 33 records or not. Now
34. Oh, no, 33.
33.
Right. So,
It's 33, right?
yes.
So new record got inserted and existing got updated. Open both the records.
So this one is having like the original ID, and that one was assigned a new ID.
Correct, because that's a new record.
Okay, and the rest were the similar. We didn't change anything else.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So guys, are you able to perform it? What about others?
Yeah.
Yeah. And let's go and perform delete operation. Only keep ID.
Only ID?
Yeah, only ID. Only ID is required to delete the record.
Okay. So I can use this. So just the ID. And save.
Yeah. And open these records in new tabs before performing delete operation. So that you come to know that these all the records are there and they will get deleted.
Oh, okay. Second position. What? From here till here we were removing, right?
Yeah.
And then so these three. Okay. Right. So the starting three will keep them. Okay. And the next one is this. Oops. Okay.
Yeah, please perform delete operation.
Session. Delete. Next. Okay. Okay. Next. Oh, okay. Yes. Did it?
Now go and refresh the page.
Looks like there's a problem. Looks like there's a problem. There was a problem. Lisa, I can continue the error with the ID. ID is removed.
Okay. Now go to recycle pin. Go to app launcher. Click on app launcher.
So bad.
Yeah, type in or recycle.
Oh, here?
Yeah, bin or recycle. Yeah, recycle bin. Here, these are the deleted record. Okay, from position object. You deleted them. Now you can also restore them. If you want to restore, click on the checkbox, whichever record you want to store, and then you can restore them. And after restoring, you can just check the record after providing the ID, which you have in your Excel sheet. Or else you can delete it from the recycle bin as well. So it will not be available. So guys, are you able to perform these steps? You can restore any of the record and check. You have one record, you can restore and check whether that gets opened or not.
So Java developer. Yeah. Just now we modified. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so anyone has any doubt, any query?
For me, no.
What about others?
No.
Tanu?
No, sir, no.
Okay, so today we perform these all things. From tomorrow onwards, you can try these all things on all the objects which we have, right? Like not only a position, you need to perform the same thing on candidate, same thing on job application, same thing on employment website, all the objects which we have, you need to perform these all operations. Okay. So,
Okay.
yeah, and from tomorrow onwards, we will start looking into how any user can access any record, any data, any field, any object in Salesforce, how the accesses are being given, how the security model of Salesforce works.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll see how we can provide or restrict a user, right? How we can provide more access to a user, how we can restrict a user to access any record or anything. What is object level security? What is field level security? What is record level security? Okay, these all things we are going to see. If Jerry should not be able to see whatever record Rudolph has created, then how we can implement it? Whether everyone should be able to see whatever record Jerry has created, how we can implement it? And if we want some of the field should not be visible to any user, then how it will be done? When we talk about our application, there are mainly 4 types of users. One is the recruiter, right? Second is recruiter is nothing but human resource, you can say, right? And second one is hiring manager, in whose team there is a vacancy, who wants to hire a candidate, right, in his team, and recruiter helps him to hire the candidate. Third is the interviewer, who takes the interview of the candidate, right? And fourth are the standard employees, the normal employees of the organizations. It doesn't happen that all the employees are going to take the interview, right? Some of them take the interview, but they are also employees of the organization, right?
Right.
So we will see how these 4 types of person can access the Salesforce, how the data which they try to access differ, whether it's in terms of object level, whether it's in terms of field level, whether it's in terms of record level. We will see all these stuffs from the next class. Okay.
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 So meanwhile, I request everyone to perform all the operations which we saw today on each and every object. Get yourself familiar with it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, then you guys can carry on. We'll close the class today and see you tomorrow.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Take
thank you,
care.
sir.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.